I can hear you. That's why I made this second part. What's the difference to Sicilian cooking than Italian cooking? Well, Italian cooking is more based from the northern part. It's a bit of different sections, where Sicily has always been unique. It's the largest island on the Mediterranean. It is a land of sun, absolutely sun. It faces, one part of it faces Turkey, the other part faces North Africa, the Tunisia. It faces wonderful parts of the Aeolian Island, the Mediterranean, the Tyrrhenian Sea. There's so many different parts, but the most of it is that it has over 13 denominations that once ruled Sicily. Yes, 13. We have the influence of the French, we have the influence of the Greek, we have the Turkish, we have Indian, we have North African, we have Moroccan, we have Spanish, we have Arab. Yeah, we have over 14 centuries of Jewish rule. That is what makes Sicilian cooking unique. It is unique as a rose itself, unique as a lily itself, unique as the parsley, as a herb. It stands on its own. It has 9 regions and 9 dialects. And I think it was in the 60s where it was unified and became part of Italy. But before that, it was on its own. And before you say, are you Italian? All Sicilians say, no, I am Sicilian first, Italian second. That is what makes it. Did you say to Sophia Loren, was she Italian? No, she always said, I am Neapolitan first. That's what makes where you're born, what part of the region that you come from, unique. That is why Sicilian cooking is unique. It has 2,000 to 3,000 recipes, 2,000 to 3,000 centuries of recipes that are part of the cucina povera, that are sliding through. And you know what? They're dying because there's a new crowd coming through. There's a new generation of people coming through forth. It hasn't been able to nourish, the economy hasn't been able to nourish its children. So a lot of people have had to leave and migrate to different countries. But you can't take Sicily out of the person, and that's what makes that person unique. You can take them out of Sicily, but you can't take Sicily out of them. So the recipes I share with you, they're centuries old, and they still work today. They're so important as we breathe, because we're becoming into a society of takeout, fast food. No, come back home, come back to the basics and learn about Sicilian cooking with me. I'm Carmela d'Amore. I'm the award-winning international Sicilian chef. I'm an author. I've written 5 books, and I have over 50 years of hospitality industry of skills as an executive chef. I've run many restaurants. I've worked for myself. Everywhere I've worked for me. I've traveled halfway around the world. I've been to many countries, and I see different ways. I learn different ways, but I always come back home to Sicilian cooking. So come on and follow me on my YouTube channel. Amoni, amoni, amoni.